विमेंस वेयर का फैशन मार्केट में हमेशा से ही काफी बड़ा और पॉपुलर रहा है। फीमेल्स के लिए हर तरीके के अपैरल्स मार्केट में अवेलेबल हैं और डिजाइनिंग स्कोप भी काफी ज्यादा है। बट अब समय भी बदल चुका है। मेंस वेयर के मार्केट की डायनेमिक्स भी कमेंडेबल है। कुछ वक्त से मेंस फैशन ने भी अपनी जगह मार्केट में ही नहीं, लोगों के दिलों पे भी बनाई है। Fashion is not gender specific. Every category has now equally treated and is being tried to launch unique collections for both men and women in the apparel and fashion market. The revenue in the men's apparel market worldwide is experiencing an annual growth with time. Nowadays, menswear industries are valued enough to sustain designers and manufacturers' endeavors. The question here arises that why has men's fashion been so limited for so long? The answer lies in a complex web of societal norms, cultural expectations, and outdated stereotypes that have long dictated what is considered appropriate attire for men. Along with poor fit, poor quality fabrics are a major issue across many menswear clothing lines. When it comes to lower price points, we have now good fabrics for menswear, keeping various aspects in mind. Menswear development also takes lots of precision in their cutting, drafting and pattern making and stitching. New advanced technologies have played very important role in this growth. All the countries have started focusing more on menswear. Even the fashion weeks are now full of men's apparel with unique and creative developments, which always results in the growth and vast popularity for this category. Designers involve more and more in the men's collections on the ramp with their extraordinary ideas and precise detailing on silhouettes, prints, textures, colors and implementations. It is not easy. Menswear development requires painstaking efforts in understanding the market, and the process goes with lots of research work that really makes their effort more understandable and approachable. Fashion industry seems so glamorous, no doubt from outside, but along with that, designers' extreme hard work and out-of-the-box thinking leads to a change with time and establish a new market for menswear. Men's outfits and styling are becoming very popular among the coming generation. साथ ही साथ पहले की जनरेशन के लिए भी फैशन को अपग्रेड किया जा चुका है और टाइम के साथ ये आगे बढ़ता चला जा रहा है. Nowadays, we have lots of fashion shows just for men's apparel collection, and every category of menswear has now its own charm and uniqueness with a variety of thoughts contained in it. वीडियो को देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी जाके सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, और हाँ, लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट करना मत भूलिएगा.